if you're encountering error 2026 while trying to enable cloud saves on your PlayStation 5. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and ensure your game data is backed up properly. Step 1. Check PlayStation network status. Visit the official PlayStation network status page to confirm that there are no ongoing issues with the servers. If there are outages, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Update system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for any available updates. Download and install any updates to ensure your console is running the latest software. Step 3. Verify cloud storage settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to Save Data and Game/App Settings. Select Save Data PS5 and ensure that the option for cloud storage is enabled. This allows your game data to be uploaded to the cloud. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Power off your PS5 completely, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and console status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve error 2026 and enable cloud saves on your PlayStation 5. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.